Uber. Medyo masama ang mga pakiramdam ng mga bata. Kaya talagang nagpahinga muna kami. Ngayon, okay. Kahit pa paano, si Audrey ang medyo hindi magandang pakiramdam dahil may sipon, ubo. Kaya we really had to make sure na we rested well and she's okay. And now that she's okay, we decided to go to Shibuya Crossing and check out the sights there in that area, as we have a few days left here. Actually, tomorrow na lang, no? Tomorrow tapos Saturday. Or 2 more days before we head to Osaka. So look at this beautiful streets in Tokyo. Very clean, very peaceful. And this is our Uber. It's a taxi and it's an Uber at the same time. Anong oras na ba? Alas 3:30. Maagang bumaba ang araw. Kaya nag-decide na lang kami dahil masama ang pakiramdam ni Audrey na mag-Uber na lang papuntang Shibuya kaysa mag-train. Train sana ang original plan, kaso nga yung hassle at saka yung pagod ng bata habang kinakarga pag-train, kaya nag-decide na kami mag-Uber. At least maalawan, makapahinga siya. Mabilis pa. Audrey, are you okay? No, see? Kumusta Iya? Are you okay, baby? Are you excited? Ayan. So kabababa lang sa amin dahil traffic daw dito doon, so dito kami binaba. Family Mart. Shibuya na Uniqlo station. Crossing na. Here we go. Finally, we made it.
Sorry.
Also, please do not leave trash behind and take it home with you.
Gusto ko patry kay Ika.
Ano yan? Oo. Di bali. Mamaya, pag gising siya.
Roller coaster ride, hands up in the sky, take you on a ride, love to feel the high, we can start again, laughing to the end, screaming at the top, hope it never stops, we could do it all over.
So, nandito na kami sa loob ng Don Quixote, third floor. Ha?
Ay, magsasarado na alas 5.
Yan na. Finally, nakarating na sa Sushiro.
Calling for customers with ticket number 333. Calling for customers with ticket number 333.
Wow.
Ate ka mo, sit here.
Sushiro. That is... I don't know what that is.
Okay, Iya, pwede yung gano'n, no?
The photo of the left, it is required at the time of payment. Okay. Okay, English. Oh, thank God. We are now changing the language.
Nakukuha ka na.
What do you want to eat?
Chicken.
Chicken? Fried chicken?
Udo na lang. Ay, ano daw sa kanya?
Fried chicken daw. Yung may karage.
Ilang fried chicken? 5 pieces? O 2 pieces lang?
2 pieces na lang kay Iya. Wow. Initial order. You order dito, tapos darating sa dyan.
What is that?
This is a wrap. You want some? It's got shrimp, salmon roe, and I don't know what's this. But I don't think it's good for you. Where's your chocolate? How about your chicken? Are you eating your chicken? Audrey tulog. Ayaw magpababa ni Audrey. Sige. Tikman muna natin yung mga order natin.
What do you want?
Please pick up your order. That is ice cream, vanilla ice cream with rice dumpling. And this is milk, Hokkaido milk something cake. Try it nga. You try this, anak? You like it? No, I will show you like this, so. Oh, come, wait. Here, you bite it like this. Like it? Yummy? Oh. Mmm. Okay, I'll wipe your hands. Okay, tapos na kami. Bye, Sushil. Parang ano,